Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you have Dogman fans in your home? If so, then you need to go with Dav Pilkey's latest Dogman book, 20,000 Fleas Under the Sea. This is a typical Dogman style book that has lots of humor, but also has lots of great lessons throughout the book. This book is divided into the typical comic strip style with chapters with different adventures of Dogman and his friends. The book is well illustrated and it has the infamous Flipperama that kids love. I really love Dav Pilkey's books for my daughter because they're fun to read, they're a quick read, but they also can increase their vocabulary. All of his books always are in nice hardcover so that they're really sturdy and ready for all of your adventures while your kids take their reading. If your kids are a lover of Dogman as well, you definitely need to check out this new story. I won't tell you the plots and the ending. You'll have to find out for yourself. And that's my point of view.